Some dangers don't attack you. They surround you. They speak softly. They complain calmly. And slowly, they change who you become. Most people think failure comes from bad decisions, but more often, it comes from bad emotional environments, from staying too close to people who live in frustration, fear, and constant disappointment. Law 10 reveals a truth most people learn too late. Emotions are contagious, and the wrong emotional energy can quietly ruin your future. When you don't understand this law, you feel responsible for other people's pain. You stay longer than you should. You listen more than you should. You sacrifice your clarity to prove your kindness. At work, you absorb stress that is not yours. In relationships, you carry emotional weight that never gets lighter. In life, you slowly lose momentum without knowing why. This law matters because human beings are mirrors. We adapt to the emotional temperature around us. If the environment is heavy, your mind becomes heavy. If the environment is hopeless, your thinking becomes limited. Unhappy people are not dangerous because they suffer. They're dangerous because suffering becomes their identity. There's a difference between someone going through a hard phase and someone who lives inside a permanent mindset of defeat. Unlucky people expect things to go wrong. They talk about life as if it is against them. They repeat the same mistakes while blaming the world. And over time, this thinking becomes contagious. Psychologically, the brain learns through repetition. When you repeatedly hear negativity, excuses, and blame, your brain starts accepting them as normal. Your standards lower, your optimism fades, your belief in effort weakens. Imagine this in a modern setting. You are focused on improving your life, learning, building, trying. But the people around you constantly say, nothing works, it's pointless, the system is rigged. At first, you resist, then you listen, then you stop arguing, and eventually you stop trying as hard. Not because you failed, but because you adapted. This law is not about being heartless, it is about understanding emotional gravity. Unhappy people pull others down not always on purpose, but because misery feels safer when it is shared. If you try to fix them, you become emotionally trapped. If you stay too long, you become emotionally infected. If you leave without wisdom, you create guilt and conflict. That is why